2014 Ford Focus SE, 87,000 miles, new tires, brakes, and transmission from Ford on the recall. New transmission from Ford on the recall. 87,000 miles, an amazing condition, perfect cash car. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically, in wonderful condition. Alloy wheels, power windows, locks, brakes, not brakes, mirrors, black pearl metallic. Be lucky to find a door ding in this vehicle. Super clean. Two-tone beige cloth interior. Perfect Carfax report, no accidents. Sync radio, hands-free wireless, 87,000 miles. Cruise control, very fuel efficient. Interior is like new, along with the rest of the car. Original mats, manuals. (2014) Ford Focus SE, 87,000 miles, in remarkable condition. Perfect cash car. Local trading.